Let's go, let's start. Right, what do we have? Okay, let me see. Okay, DJ, see the massive pump since hold on. Okay, we have a massive pump since 1:30, so let's just go to the daily time frame. Right. Again, this was because looking at what the daily is doing. Let me just take out my annotation tool. Hold on. Okay, what is price doing? Right, we have 4 days of bearish pump, right? There's no way price will find some sort of a retracement or a pause, and this bullish candle was one of it, right? It retested this level, right? Let me just draw a level right there, right? You have a level right here. See, price rejected here, and now did a last retest, close bullish, right? And looking at the current daily candle, what you can see is price respected the highs of the previous daily candle, right? Still making lower lows and lower highs, and now retested this level right now. And then now we have to see if this wick up now is a retracement or not, right? So H4, the new H4 opened 2 hours ago, right? Rejected this level of support right here. Again, we have a resistance right above here, right? So what we want to see is some sort of retracement, find resistance before testing these lows again in the lower time frames. So going to the H1, right? H1 looking left, price rejected this level right here, and now I would draw another level right here, the H1, and also to see where price will retrace to, right? Because we don't know where price will retrace to, maybe here, right? Or even here, or even maybe this level to retest down, to retest this level of support, right? Looking at the 30 minutes, let me just take this away, bring this up. Let me adjust my levels. Right. We have a level here, and anything below here we got clean range down. Then looking on the daily, right, this will be our zone, right? Taking sells into this will be relatively okay if we get the confirmations. 30 minutes, right? This is your level. Honestly, I will wait for buys only above this level right here, 151.320, because then you know that will be the break of the current day daily highs and possibly previous daily highs. So what I'll be waiting now is for a retracement. 15-minute close bearish, but it's still have some waiting to do. Right. Let me just step this down. Right, we have potential levels here. Yep, just wait for a retracement. The higher it goes, actually it's better because then we have more range to take sells. Right, and also just take note, we have news later on, 8:30, unemployment claims. So see if we can get an entry before that, or if not, we'll wait after news. Because pre-news always has low volume, right? And we don't want to get wicked out. Let's look at gold. What's gold doing? Alright, daily gold was in this range, right? Came down to break the low of the previous daily candle, now flip back to maybe possibly to fill this wick, right? You can see this level is rejected here, and now price is rejecting this level. So once again, gold could come back up to this level to retest resistance. Looking at the 4 hour, we have support right here, price rejected, right? And this will then be your H4 range. But if this range has enough pips, which is 165 pips, that's sufficient. So let's see if we, so on the H1, what do we have? H1, price rejected with support right here. Just adjust my levels. Right. We have a resistance right here, and if price were to break this resistance, we got some move around 30 pips to the next level, right? So let's see if gold can close above this level, 170.90, right? I would say price above 170.90. Other than that, I'll see how price reacts to this resistance level before taking anything, either buys or I would say sells. I have to wait unless there's a fake out and a closure below a level, and maybe I'll be confident taking sells. Gold 30-minute looking good for take buy, but risky. Yeah, it's now still, it's relatively still early, so have to wait. But wait for preferably a candle closure above this level. Let me look at 1794, right? If not, it will be this level. Yep, that's for gold, right? And GJ, I'm waiting for a retracement, right? Daily, it's very bearish. Looking at our structure alone, right? 4 hour broke the lows first. Now it's coming up to possibly create a stop wick, and once it finds resistance on the lower time frame, it should retest the lows, meaning to say flipping the current 4 hour candle from bullish to bearish, and most likely retest the daily resistance right here. So that's my plan for today. The higher GJ retraces, the more range we have, right? So yeah, let's just wait. Yo bro, the video intro you did was taken where man looks dope. Oh, I found a free template for OBS, Streamlabs OBS, and yeah, I edited it a little bit, like customized a bit. Yeah, but I found a free template online and I used it. The music is Harris Heller Stream Beats, which is all copyright free on Spotify. Let's wait for the let's wait for this 15 to close. If it doesn't close nicely, then wait for the 30. Currently price created some sort of support right here. So if this is your minor support, and price creates resistance right here, then once a candle close below this level, then you know that this range will be filled, then mirroring this candle, because we have clean traffic around 40 pips to retest the lows, right? And look, that will be your H4, right, coming down again after creating that top wick. Let's see, for GJ, I think there's some waiting to do. For gold, it's looking more promising right now. We have a minute more for the candle closure, so let's just wait for a bit. For 40 seconds. Has anyone taken trades yet for today? London, the massive GJ drop, gold. Anyone? If candle closes like this, I will wait for the 30 to close because it's still below my level. I need a stronger close because you can see there's wicks to the left. I don't want to be caught in any of that, right? I don't want this candle to be like this candle, taking a trade and then draw down instantly. So we gotta wait. How did DJ close? Oh, DJ, right? You can see price is making that nice structure, created a minor support right now and found resistance, so then this will be your minor range. So if we get a candle closure below 150.150, right, we can retest down to this level, but we have to wait for the next 15 minutes to close, right? Preferably if candles can close something on the 30, if we can get a closure something like this, right, with a decent wick, then this candle can retest the lows. And if this candle closes below my level, then you can take the trade down again, right, something like this. So then you will have your lower lows, lower highs, and then lower lows again. So this is what I always look for. No matter how much this how much price moves, it always has to retrace at some point, and the higher it retraces, the more range we have. If the range isn't that great, then wait for the low to be broken. Right, I'll wait for the next 15, and if the next 15 closes above, something like this, then I can take the next trade up. There's somewhere here, right? And yeah, so that would be the 30 close to the H1 also. Right, if the H1 closes below, then it will be closing bearish too. So the H1 will be creating that nice resistance candle. So yeah, that's about it. Gotta wait for next 15 minutes, next 12 minutes. And honestly, I don't know if I will take EGJ or gold. I shall see again. I shall wait. Buy is done. Just waiting for volume time. Yes, exactly. Right, now it's more of waiting. The plan is already there. Right, we distinguish from the daily down to the 15, saying that EGJ is very bearish, right? And now there's no buys or sells yet. You're not gonna take buys because you'll be trading the retracement, and also it's counter trend trading. What we need to do is wait for a retracement and its resistance formation before taking the trade down again to retest the lows. So yeah, let's just wait and wait. See, price is GJ is struggling to break up, right? This will then be your range. Even if candle starts falling, like I think 20 pips, like this, right? Something like this, I won't be taking the impulse entry. I need this candle to confirm that this support is broken first. And depending on how this candle closes, I need to measure the range again. But there should be enough range because this range, the GJ retraced quite a bit, around 40 pips of range. So that would be amazing if we can get the trade down. Unemployment claims, we are predicting ADP. Oh no. Okay, slightly lower numbers, so we shall see. There's no impulse entries. Let me see. Fahad, you haven't taken a trade yet, right? Like you just opened the charts. I see. Hopefully you can get one in today. DJ looking nice, gold looking nice. The next hourly close will determine that. I want candle to close below this level, which will then be your H1 closing bearish too, rejecting this level. This whole area will be your zone then, right? So let's just see. Yeah, it took. Oh yes. Right, GJ is breaking down a bit. 6 more minutes before the candle closes. Trying to take an IG story, man. It's so hard. Right. GJ is still rejecting support. Gold is rejecting resistance. So yeah. In the meantime, maybe I can explain my gold trade taken during Asian, right? I think it was the 15 right here. So I had my levels right here. Previous support, right? You have your previous support, northern resistance as price retested, and when this candle closes below this support, created a top wick, I entered the trade right here, right? So that was the gist of this trade. Because when I look at the H4 on the daily first, right, daily was ranging at that point in time. I think there wasn't a lower wick first, and I was looking at price structure alone, right? We have this like downwards channel, price is creating lower highs and lower lows, and at that point in time price was rejecting this level of resistance, right? Keep hitting its head, creating lower lows and lower highs, and for that I was waiting for a entry, and this closure, right, this formation was the one that gave it up, right? Because we have a range right here, candle broke down, retested, closed below support. This was the, like, I would say perfect entry. Like every time I see this type of setup, I will probably take it. Not probably, but I will always take it. Like during my trading times, of course. GG breaking down. 2 more minutes. So far so good. I will wait. Do you know what order block means? I know the concept. I don't use it, and I don't like. Yeah, I know how it works and stuff, but I don't know the exact definition. Like, I just know at that price point and that zone per se, there's a lot of orders being placed there. Right, supply, demand, order blocks, all this kind of thing. The wick seems pretty small though for the gold trade. Right, the confirmation was how long more do I have? 1 minute. Okay, so the confirmation was, wait, it was the 15th, right? No, it wasn't here. Sorry, my bad. And we have a support right somewhere here. So what I was looking at is this bottom wick. You're saying that this bottom wick isn't that great, right? But it was this whole how to say setup that gave me the confidence, right? The next candle wicked up. This was a confluence. This setup was another confluence. Candle closing below was another confluence. Breaking the lows was another confluence. So with that, sometimes I like to I like to put the confluence in my favor. So if I have enough confluence, sometimes I can risk the entry, right? So yeah, because we don't always have to check off every confluence in our plan, right? Just understand what you're risking, and if there's enough confluence for your comfort level, then yeah, you should be good to go at the. Oh, talking about no bottom wicks. Right, so let me see. Yeah, I think I'll wait for the next candle though. H1 close. Oh, the H1 closed very nicely though. Let's see if we can get a higher wick. I think similar setup was there on pre-London. Something, yeah. I think somewhere here, right? This was the one. So the current candle is giving the nice top wick. Once it drive down, breaking the lows, I'll put an entry. Let me just see. Put around 10 to 12 pips stop loss to drive down to fill the wick. 30 pips. Right. The 30 minutes didn't close with a nice bottom wick, but on the H1 we have that sort of a small wick, but yeah, I think it's sufficient. Hold on. Let me just get my MT5 ready. Alright. Oh, not yet. Right, I'm in. Yep, let's see. Should be good to retest the lows again. Right, we have clean candles on the 30-minute. H1 rejected, leaving a nice rejection wick to the top, meaning to say this was my resistance form. Right, once it broke the low, I took an entry, as this candle also created a top wick. Let me see how high I want to put my. Yeah, I think I'll put around 15 pips. Okay, let me look at gold. What's gold doing? Gold rejected. There's no trade for gold. Once price breaks the current high, I will close 50%. Right, I want to manage this trade quite tightly because of the bottom wick isn't the best. Right, there's a bottom wick, but it isn't like the longest. Right, the range isn't that much. So once it breaks the high, I'll close 50%. And start retracing up. Yeah, I'll see how to manage again. Let's see. Gold will need to wait for the next 15 minutes. GJ is struggling to break down. Could be because of the right, we have a 5 minutes sort of support right here. Right, and the range isn't the best. Preparing my 50%. Right, at this point, I close 50%. You know what? Honestly, I think I'm gonna close everything. I lost like how many pips? 4 pips. Right, price is rejecting that 5 minutes zone, and also keeping in mind that the bottom wick isn't the best. So I think getting out was the safest thing to do. Right, look at the M5. It's exactly where it rejected. Looking left at this level here, and now this level again. Have to wait for the next candle again. What did I lose? It could very well come down once it breaks its own low, right? The range is still there. Very, very, very tight risk management. Right. Gold is struggling, man. Ranging right at resistance. Candles could this level is really strong, right? We have so many rejections to the left. GJ breaking down once more. Once it breaks the low, okay, add positions back. Right, it's breaking the low right now. Now price will most likely come down to retest support. We got 6 more minutes before the 15 close. Right, struggling with this level right here. Once this breaks to around this level, we should come down. All right. It should come down now. Pretty similar. Oh, I'm talking about this trade right here. The only issue about this GJ trade, right, is there weren't this candle didn't give that nice top width for driving down. Right, so that's the only difference. Right, GJ is coming down. Let me see where that. What's gold doing? Gold is still ranging, huh? Right, GJ came up and then back down, breaking the 5-minute support. So let's see. This support should be easily be tapped. So if any of you guys still in GJ cells, just secure most, or if not already at this level 149.720. Oops, take this out. Yep, this level. Easy. Yes sir, 130 more pips to weekly wick fill. Honestly, I was looking at the monthly, but yeah, it's the same lah, right? Let's go. I probably have 3 positions on GJ running, but yeah, for scalp that doesn't count. So let's see if this can get my 10 pips. Around 5-6 pips right now. Gold is probably waiting for the unemployment claims right below resistance. So yeah, let's see. Wait, hold on, what song is this? Oh man, I'm gonna get copyright. Shit. Oh, retracing. Volume now isn't very good. 15 minutes candle closing. Next 15 has to respect this high again before driving to fill the wick to the left. Carry. Closed. Right. Close my second position, BE man. I think I'll wait for go. Now gotta wait for the news already. Volume, need some volume. Next 15 created the top wick. Fill the wick. Come down. Fahad, you close 50? A break even or what's up? Yeah, GG should continue coming down, no worries. Right. We just need the volume and this high to be respected. Should fill this wick and eventually breaking the lows, come down. this? What is GU? Yeah, I was expecting price to come up here, but it didn't come exactly all the way up, but yeah. Come on, DJ, you can do it. Filling the wick. Once it breaks the low, should be good. So slow. How long is the next candle going to close? 10 minutes. Then we have 30 more minutes for the NY Open. Ranging, goal ranging. Close another 25 BE. Yeah, you never know what will happen in a low volume time. So managing risk is great. Come on. Coming back down. Look at GJ just messing around. I think price is rejecting the M5 level. Look on the larger scale. Right. It will. The probability of it coming down, it's high. Just how long? Not sure, because volume, it's not there. Five more minutes before the 30 close. Will 30 minutes on gold close above? Right. Look at gold then. 3 more minutes. Gotta wait 2 more minutes. GJ is still struggling, ranging. Gold. Yeah, I need it to close above. Look at that. Alright. No confirmations. GG. So tough. $30. Yeah, probably have to wait again for New York Open. If not, I gotta wait for the news itself.
Hello.
Yo, what's up?
Get out of me.
How you doing, man?
Today's an amazing day. I got it.
Nice.
I got it.
Where
I'm
you at,
actually
man?
happy, man.
I'm
at home.
Why you sound so weird?
Oh, it's probably because of the headphones. We have a mic in it, and hold up, I'm away from the phone. I'm using the phone today. My sister is using my laptop. How the fuck am I gonna put this? Like this.
I mute you for a bit, right? It's kind of loud. Oh, GJ closed.
I can put the phone standing.
What phone are you using?
The Note 10.
Okay.
I don't have a tripod here. I have it on the board. So basically, I'll keep my microphone open, or basically when I talk, I press the button or something like that.
Yeah, sure.
But I can like if I can put the phone standing, I can have the camera. Unless you want to see the ceiling.
Nah.
I might do this. I'm gonna try like this. Okay.
Yo, what's up, Delvin? Welcome back.
Gold is looking nice, man.
Yeah, I need it to close above 1790.
Oh, you're looking at iron. Okay. I was looking at the 1 hour. The 1 hour it's above what is it? 88.
Yeah, on H1 it actually closes above, but on the lower time frames it looks weird because
Yeah.
you can see H1 is rejecting resistance also at 1790. So I think at this point I will wait for the lower time frame to close above.
This is starting to feel like a big range between. Yeah, I think the gold is got a range, but like this is a big range. This is a $25.
Yeah, we got
$50.
news. We got news later. Unemployment claims.
Oh, okay. Nice. You did trade during one?
No, Asian. And just now,
Oh, okay.
I got like
Oh.
negative 5 pips. Like just now, but Asian, yeah, I caught quite a bit.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, let's see.
Orange juice is looking great though. What is that?
Are you still wanting to trade orange juice?
Man, I swear to God, I'm going to be a real straight trading this.
Bruh, orange juice don't look good at all.
And that's for sales.
I mean, you got clean candles to the left, down to short orange juice. I don't know, man.
Now I just got to figure out what might happen. Say, oranges get a virus, something like that.
Bruh.
No, but like crops do get a few viruses here and there. So that should be good. Gotta ask people more. How many coverage for that? 3%. In all seriousness now, the DXY is starting to break memory resistance, so it should bump all the way up to 94.2, as long as we go above 93.3. So that should be great, but if it moves up, then it means we should be looking for cells on the ground. Could be possibly. And if 148.5 breaks, this is going to be fast.
I can't really hear you though. Your mic is like quite weird.
Yeah, definitely. But if it breaks, it's going to be on the street.
No, I'm saying your microphone. Your microphone sounds. Yeah, I can't really hear properly. Not DXI. DXI looks like it's kinda. Yeah, it has to respect 93.3. Where's your usual mic?
But usually I'm on the when I'm doing Zooms, I'm on my laptop.
Ah.
But like I said before, my sister is using it for something.
Okay.
And so I have like this is not going to be the PC that I'm going to have on board, you know. So I'm waiting for the parts to arrive. Because the camera and the microphone, I bought them already. It's the same ones you told me.
Oh, okay. Razer.
It's only the name. I just went by to the site, but I bought the parts and I just fucking it's garbage.
GJ is. Oh my god. GJ is ranging. Go is trying to break down.
Yeah, It's a rejection zone, yo.
Yep.
Oh, I wanna take this trade. Oh, no, I'm gonna skip this one.
Yeah.
I can think of cells under 1785.
Yep.
Yeah, not gonna go one.
Gotta wait. Gotta wait.
So we have unemployment. What else? I haven't looked at the charts already.
'Breaking down, go breaking down.
Yeah.
Ninety pips to the next level. Yeah, GJ is ranging.
Can you hear me typing? No.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
I mean, GJ created support. Let's see. Yeah, goals. Yeah, I would wait for. Let me see. 16 dips. Yeah, I'll probably wait for this level to break before coming back down to this level. Have to see. Right. Basically, the daily is ranging, right? It's rejecting both support and resistance. H4. And gold rejected. Look at that. Last 5 seconds. Alright, you can see on the M1. Last 2 minutes. Price came back into the range. Yeah. Wait for the candles to close. Let's wait for the next 15 to see how the New York Open setup. Okay.
Man, gold is making people punch here. Like, it's so easy to trade gold, man. Like, in ranges like, so from 1785 all the way down to, what's this? At least 1782. This is the zones that you really want to trade gold. This is the clean M1 zones. So basically, it's really easy to trade. If as soon as we tap in, if we don't get a similar candle with that, then just get out. It's really no big issue. At least that works a lot for me.
The M1.
Yeah. It's like that's like looking yourself in the mirror. Okay, not us, okay, but if you get into this zone and you start having troubles, meanwhile, coming up, in this case, coming up was really smooth and fast. Now, if we tap into that zone and you have issues, or you have small bearish candles, small bullish candles, then you know it's not time. And it's not. It doesn't mean that it's not right, but it does mean that it's not time to be inside the trade because inside this green zone, you really want to see it move like this because there are no sub levels.
Even on the M1, the range is so clean, right? Like you said,
Yeah,
down to 1782.
at the very least.
Yeah. It's like easily 30 pips.
But I'm not gonna take the trade if it comes at this. Can I mute myself before I write?
Yeah.
Oh, SPX 500 is giving me the pullback I really want.
SPX
Right?
500.
Yeah. So I'm looking at a history trend line. So either a strong rejection of it or a break of the trend. So it's time to start thinking of swings. It's
Reject.
basically a daily trend retest.
It's coming. Yeah, it's sort of found resistance, right? Oh, I have my levels here. Since when I
But
do this?
if you look on the daily, if you like really scroll back, this is a trend that started March 2020.
Look at that.
Yeah. So basically, I've been trying to buy every time we touch the trend line. But for me, well, I have it drawn. Like, let me send the chart.
Like this.
Yeah, something like that. Something like that. So I've been trying to buy every time we touch the line or really
Makes
come close
sense.
to it.
Until one day the trend line breaks. Everyone's gone.
The trend is just right next to the end. I want to see the daily closes up.
Yep. GJ.
I gotta turn the food on the oven. Be right back.
Yep. Oh, GJ is breaking down. Breaking back down. Let's see if how this 15 minutes candle close before New York.
Food hasn't burned yet. That's fine.
What?
The food hasn't burned yet, like usual.
Eh, Four
Hey
more
man,
minutes. What?
Do you see PewDiePie videos?
PewDiePie?
Yeah.
Not, I mean, last time, previously, but not always.
A few days ago, he uploaded basically rating uh, people there.
What?
Yeah, he basically made a video like rating the way a few people died throughout the history,
Uh-huh.
And man, oh, I swear that there was one that was so majestic. Like, so basically, there was this guy from from Greece, and the whole thing was he thought he was like a god, not a demigod, like a god, a divine being. And the way that man tried to prove his theory was by jumping into a volcano.
Did when he died?
Hold on. Let me check it out. I gotta make myself.
Oh damn, look at gold. Just rejected. The massive gold, especially during pre-news, man.
So the guy was Empedocles. That's his name.
What?
I swear, guy. Like you sometimes you hear things. It's like, no, fuck, that's good. But apparently there are multiple sources.
Multiple?
Yeah, so chances are it's true.
Damn.
Can you imagine?
But I guess the analysis was there, right? Just took a while, right? There's no volume, so price will eventually get there, but not like not the fastest.
I like what it is. It's done perfectly done. 30 lows. That's going.
Yep. Damn, gold rejected and now it's back down again. Oh my god.
What are you trying to do? The trade you took just a few minutes ago. Yeah.
What did I do?
Yeah. Was it sells? Was it buys?
Sells on GJ.
Oh.
So the H1, yeah, we have small bottom wick, but then candle wicked up, break the lows, and that's why I entered, right? Created resistance in the downtrend, so that's what I was looking for, and I executed it. But yeah, I closed like 8 pips. No, 6. -6.
Oh, so you
Price,
got
yeah, because price was rejecting at M5 level, then I like got out.
Oh, yeah. That is a shame.
Yeah. Oh, here comes GJ. No bottom wick. No top wick. Is it gonna go straight down?
I see where you got it. You know. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a chance, but it happens. Yeah. I would have done the same thing.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna manage.
100%. I would have done the same thing.
Damn. Dropped.
To me, it goes with no way.
The previous candle?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep, there was no trade.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that was a sad trade. Would be about 30 pips now. Well, okay. Oh, okay, gold.
Yeah, I closed below. Created a top break, trying to break down. But nah, I'm not gonna take it.
And I don't like that M15 resistance support. I really want to
Yeah,
be.
this level, right? I mean, 1785.
Yeah, if it was there, I would have taken it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it. Yeah, no, I'm gonna skip it. This is 15 pips for 20, 25. It doesn't work. And I gotta fix my sleep schedule. This is going nuts.
Schedule?
Yeah, I am going like 6, 5 a.m. without sleeping. Today I haven't slept.
Bruh, that ain't healthy.
No, I was because like the call I got earlier, it wasn't really expected. And so yesterday at night, early, I got a message saying that, well, not saying exactly what was going to be talked about, but sort of giving me an idea, you know. And so I spent the night looking at it and see what I can do.
Gold, it's look like it's gonna come down.
Yeah, one looks okay. Still rejecting the EMA. That's great. This is. Yeah,
Yeah, I gotta wait for news.
You know what I might do? Because I'm gonna eat soon.
What's up?
I'm thinking, like, if this move down connects as a fake out, I think I'm gonna try to put a buy stop above, what's this? Above these weeks, this couple of weeks. So about
90? 1790.5?
yeah, 79.5, 70, 90.1, around there.
Hmm.
Because if this acts as a um I forgot the word, as a fake out, it should have strength to push at least to fill all the way up 1793.5, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but it has to close back in the range first.
Man, I just don't want it to catch the news.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I don't want. Uh, what time is it? So yeah. Oh, in about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, real soon.
I'm gonna wait. I don't want to get bamboozled. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. But in all honesty, it looks nice for the milestone. It does.
Ooh, GJ rejected. No top wick. Go up and make the top wick.
I have to write a bit. I'm gonna mute myself.
Yeah, sure. Okay, was it risky to take GJ shots off the H4 flip? I would say so because of the levels right here. Right. And honestly, one thing about flips is that the flip itself is aggressive, right? So when it comes to aggressive approaches, you want to have as many confluence you have as possible. One is ranging, you are in downtrend. Secondly, you need some sort of decent clean traffic. Right. So in this case, the levels isn't nice. The ranges here you can see price is basically consolidating there, which is maybe a reason why price rejected, right? Usually when there's a consolidation range, it also tends to be a zone, right? Whenever price comes into it, you might more or less reject. So to answer your question, it's risky, yes. So I wouldn't advise taking that flip in this case. I'll wait for maybe a cleaner range, or yeah, a cleaner range, basically more confluence on my side. Go, it's coming down. Ooh, gold. Is it cause predicting good numbers? So let's just wait. DJ is rejecting. How long more to the news? Around 15 minutes.
Yuki.
Yo, is that you, Fahad?
Yeah, man.
Yo, what's
Yo.
up?
Hey, you still in the trade?
No. I was out way back.
Hey, bro, I show you how I manage my trade.
Sure. Oh, wait. Let me see your chart. Let me bring this in. What do we have? Okay, bearish, price book support. Created high. Broke the low, executed trade. Price tag with 5 pips and went back to close with 50%. Okay. Went back to 5 pips and break at close another 15%. Meaning to say go 5 pips in profit and then you close another 50%.
Yeah.
So you close twice lah.
Yeah, bro.
Move down, stop loss next. Means your losses is like very minimal, right? It's like almost paying commissions. I mean that's great because I mean even though price came down, but I think you managed very nicely.
Because there's I see it broke the 5-minute high. So there is potential that it may
go up, right?
up.
Yeah. I mean, the volume it's not very high right now. Just now, I mean, just now was you can see the 5 minutes basically range throughout. So that was when we are in the trade. So managing it is always the better choice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Can you show me how you manage your risk, man?
Mine is I just like got out straight away. Where was it was here, right? So it broke the current
No.
high.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, then I closed everything already. Cause like I didn't like how it was rejecting the M5 level here.
And then just now you added another position, right?
Yeah, but that one break even It's like yeah.
Is it okay if you can show me the whole how you execute and then how you manage?
Okay, so basically when price came up, right, this was my position one. Stopped out already. So the next 30 minutes I didn't break the current low again. So that's where I added. Right, it went down, went back up, I closed full again. Yeah, that's basically it. You can see on the M5, I don't know if it's clearer or not. Right. Oops. But the trade like happened way too fast. So like I when I added, right, it went to like 3 pips only or something. Then then I straight away when it rejected back, I like closed everything. Cause if I want to be in that trade, right, I need it to probably go back down. I mean melt down straight away. I don't want it to like range. because I don't like being in a trade low volume, especially during my second position. Already like lost the first one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Gold is breaking down. Damn, goes below.
Hey bro, you execute based on the 15 or the 30?
Either one. I mean, both at that point in time is
The same, right?
Yeah.
And then also I look at the 1 hour very swing.
Right. Just know that the H1 was like jumping here and there. Basically ranging just now the H1 was the candle itself is very small, right? Like there's no
Yeah.
volume. Anyone took gold, right? Close slightly below. Those in the trade, you should get your 10 pips. I didn't execute. Yeah, wasn't paying attention.
Bro, I just saw gold.
Yeah, that was the level you were talking about, right? Close.
Yeah.
Managed to close slightly below the level, create a top wick, broke down, went into like 7 pips. Yeah, should be good. Those that took it. Other than that, you might want to be break even because we have news coming up.
Not so convinced. Too close.
I bet.
Shit. Look. I was actually. Jeez. Oh, looks like I haven't missed anything.
I mean, if anyone got in, how many pips would you get? Yeah, 9 pips. Probably break even by now. So at this point in time, just a bit for the news then.
I sent that woman that I was telling you about. I sent her a few with screenshots for something that she asked me. And then she asked me a question, and I was answering her.
Who?
And when I finished, I looked at the gold off to the right.
Oh,
Fuck. Oh,
it is what it is.
yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get caught. Don't worry. I'm gonna buy stuff.
Buy
I'm
stock.
joking. No, I'm joking.
Spreads of 100 pips. Instant drawdown.
I'm glad. But see what I was telling you a bit, just a few minutes earlier. So you tap into the zone, then if you have candles starting to close small, bearish, then it's time to get out because you don't have the well, the response from the markets that you want to see in a range like this. It's a beautiful example of it.
Risk management, man.
Yeah,
Now it seems like it's gonna do your fake out right now.
it's. Oh, I hope so.
Yeah.
I really hope so. Look at the 30 minute. It's looking great. 1 hour as well.
It's gonna break all zones. You're gonna break all zones and end up here.
Great.
You're gonna end up like this.
Man, for a brief second, I thought it was just. I had to look at my chart to make sure it was. You gotta use a different color. Oh, I'll make this one.
'Look at gold. Four more minutes before the news.
Kind of like this.
Right?
No, I'm too. I was messing with the trading view templates.
Oh.
Oh, let me send. So I'll stop it. I kind of like this. I really do.
Tori K.
Yeah. I tried like red tones, but it doesn't really fit. If I go red, yeah, it doesn't really fit. It's- The thing with green is like it's a very soft color for your eyes. That's beauty. So if I do something like this. Nah, yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Right, 1 minute 30 seconds before the news. Buy stops, sell stops. Anyone?
Nah, not doing it.
Nah.
Not risk. Last time I did that, I risked $5. I lost six.
You released $5, you lost 6. God damn, that gotta hurt.
That yeah.
That gotta hurt.
Because imagine it was like 5,000.
50,000. That's like 60,000. Man, yeah.
That hurts. Yeah. But like looking at this, if you are looking to say buy stocks and sell stocks, it shouldn't be. It should be over the 30-minute candle. It shouldn't be way too above, like I was saying, buy stocks in 70, 90. That's really far off. It should be above the candle. What do you think? Number's gonna be good. Number's gonna be bad. What's your think?
I think I have no idea, man. I mean, that's the news, right? You never know.
I haven't even seen the headlines on the newspapers.
Right. So the news. Okay, let's see that. What's up? Refresh this.
There you go.
What's the numbers?
Oh, we're nice. We're very good though. So it means gold should go up.
Right.
Lately, gold has been on the opposite side. That's just
Bruh.
now.
Gold always goes opposite right now.
Yeah.
It's a bit. Yeah. Nothing going on.
Yeah.
Well, numbers are good though. Unemployment. Gold isn't gold supposed to go down?
Man, we're joking. We're just like commenting on something that we've seen lately over the past few weeks of news. Basically, you have the news coming. Say the news is really, really good. For some reason, gold just shoots up instead of going down.
Yeah.
And then if the news is bad, gold
goes
shoots
down.
down. Yeah, it doesn't make sense, but it's the way gold has been acting lately. And now the numbers come out. That start showing nice, and gold just doesn't move. Just sitting there, catching my eye. Even spike. Spike is this. So 14 pips when the news came out. That's nothing. But at least looks like I'm gonna have my food.
GJ, there's nothing on GJ, it's true.
The 1 hour support on GJ looks really, really nice. You just need one candle to close down under it, and it should be nice to filter it down at 14.9.6. Looks really, really nice. Yes, I'm gonna wait.
GJ ranging.
I'm gonna grab some storage.
'm going to see how the H4 closes. Good numbers for the USD, for US. Gold, always, I don't know, it's so weird now. Pushing up, could we close above? Minutes. think focus on gold better. ATJ is right usually after you get such a huge move, right? These two, the volume will obviously die down, right? If you were to look at the candle bodies itself, right? Look at how big these candles are, as compared to these. So yeah, just gotta focus on gold then. I think we can get gold buys though, to follow with the trend. That's my bias for the day. Is it my connection or your just stream? Yeah, I heard some alerts that my Streamlab just disconnected for like a split second. I don't know what's wrong though. Like my internet, my charts is all running fine. I don't know why is the Streamlabs OBS is, I don't know why is it doing that. But is it very bad or is it just like a split second kind of thing? I see. Hopefully it doesn't. This is weird. Yeah, that's weird. Right, stream has disconnected. Yeah, 2 minutes ago. Man, I don't know what's going on, to be honest. Yo, what's up, Nick Love Richards? Sorry if I Nicholas. I'm sorry. Yeah, what's up? How are you doing? Taking any trades? Not trading today. I see. Just watching, journaling. That's fine too. What's would you sell if gold breaks 1784.7? Yeah, I might if I get like a candle closure below, like a strong candle closure, because then price could there's this clean candle to the left.
Reading the newspapers. I'm reading. So that's why. Reading the newspapers headlines.
Uh-huh.
There seems to be uh, almost like fear in the market. So if headlines are something to hold, nice open should give us a push up, a leg up at least on gold.
So it's basically basing off the overall sentiments of like
Yeah,
yeah, too much uncertainty, I guess.
because everything is pushing back. SPX pushing back, Dow Jones pushing back, indices overall are pushing back. So gold and the US dollar should push up in response to it. Also, the DXY, as I was mentioning before, DXY has room to go up.
DXY has good room to go up.
Yeah.
I mean, it should, based on the news, of course.
Now, just look at the size of the candles from a few days from now on the daily. Seems to be that momentum. It seems to be the case.
Yep.
Candles are closing above resistance. Is now retesting resistance. Yeah. I'm going to be waiting for price on gold. If I can get them, nice. If I don't, like, there's always tomorrow. Yeah, I want nice.
Yeah, if you get a H4 closing above 1790, that will be a huge confirmation. 11 more minutes before the H4 closes.
Come on, man. Don't be pessimistic.
What, you want me to buy now?
I'm the bear one. You should be always looking for buys. I'm the bearish one.
Nah.
On the 4 hour, it looks, yeah, on the 4 hour, it looks like it could be trouble. The way it's rejecting the same level as
Exactly.
before. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps, 7 steps.
Trading view
Yeah,
is getting laggy.
that's a strong one.
Yeah, even looking left, right? Look at this liquidity, just touch and fly, touch and flew. Even looking
Mhm.
left, this level 1790, I would say.
The sad thing is that this moved all the way up from 1677 on the daily. This can be seen as a pullback. Let's continue pushing down. That's true.
Sorry, this move.
So basically when the flash crash it happened, we tested 1677, 78, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now this pullback on the daily and on the weekly can be seen as a pullback to continue pushing further down, especially on the weekly, because now we have this massive wick under, what is it, 1760? All this wick to fill.
Mm-hmm. But I think we need the weekly to close below that level first because
Yeah.
I very unsure with how this, right, this is your whole zone. Then this week is basically the liquidity week. So if so much orders has been gathered here and managed to close above this level, then I don't see a reason why price couldn't retest this high again. With all this liquidity
Yeah,
being
pretty down.
yeah. Unless we start rejecting and closing below that uh
But that's
that
when
level,
the
then yeah.
that's when the 4 hour candles will give you the time. Basically,
Yep.
as soon as that's 1 hour, 4 hour candle closes under, this is 70.75. This is checkmate. This is going down. There's
Mm-hmm.
no way. Making lower highs, still trying to pierce above 79. If you fail and it goes underneath there, it's done. It's time to move down.
It's Dunzo.
That's when I'll be bearish.
Mm-hmm.
And on the daily, for those who really enjoy patterns, you have a really characteristic pattern on the daily. I don't remember the name. I'm trying to find something. I'm find the name of it. I know the I know. It's not Triceratops. It's something else. It's similar. And on the daily, GJ looks like it's making a very, very big head and shoulders.
GJ?
Yeah. like a really big one. You can really use.
It's
You
clearer,
can really.
clearer on the weekly. It's basically your change of price structure.
Yeah.
Higher highs, higher lows. I mean, I discussed this in my weekly breakdown. I mean, weekly forecast. Right? I was saying how the price structure of GJ is changing from bullish to bearish.
This is really strong version. Okay, please. You had a swing here. You had a swing position around 152.6, didn't you? Itself.
Yep.
Yeah, makes sense.
See how the H4 closes. At this point, this H4 candle is the same as every other candle here that couldn't break above. So we still need that candle closure. Be it on the H1 30 minutes or 15 minutes, we still need it to be above 1790. On the short term, XAU looks bearish though. Yeah, lower lows, lower highs. That's what I saw on the daily first. Coming in during Asian, right? I was looking at on the daily was price is doing your lower lows and lower highs. H4 you can see is quite clear. If I bring this chart up. Oop. Right, you have this lower lows, lower highs, right? You can see it's quite clear. So whenever if price doesn't break above a key level of resistance, Alright, then it's still relatively bearish. So we still need to wait for confirmations. And this could be my confirmation for buys. Anything other than that, I will be waiting for sales below 1785. Oh, gold closed. Let's see the H4. Oh my god, my chart is lagging. Right, the H4 closed relatively strong, but it's still below the level. Alright, we still have to wait for candle closures. How did DJ close though? H4 close bullish, not very strong. Alright, it's ranging basically. Alright, you can see DJ printing sideways. Created minor support and you have a resistance here. Right. XAU.
Yeah, I'm gonna start thinking about swing buys on the XPX.
XPX.
Yeah, but I want to just go slightly further down. Either that or clearly show me 4 hour starting. Because if you look in the 1 minute, you can draw a clear pullback sort of trend line. Really nice one. You can clearly see it. I'm gonna be waiting for it for the match to be broken. 4 hour candle close my favorite. Already up. about 70 points.
Gold's trying to push up. Oh my god, why my chart it's so laggy right now.
There we go. There we go, gold.
Breaking up, trying to break up. Gold is breaking up. Gold is breaking up.
I didn't get it.
Yeah,
Oh,
same.
wait,
Very risky though. I'm gonna wait. I have to wait. There's no impulse, right? No impulse.
I was waiting for a 15 minute kind of response.
Yep.
Oh well.
Oh well. Well. There's no trade for me.
Isolation.
It's about to fly. Jay still doing nothing. Please don't get FOMO. What if you entered here and price closed back below, right? You've been drawdown of 11 pips.
Oh,
This is how we improve. If your plan was to wait for candle to close, and then just understand the feeling you have right now, right? You feel FOMO? Yeah, just try to curb that. Then slowly over time, it will be much better.
really sorry, man. I'm going back to sleep. Well, it's almost tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright, see you guys. See you guys later.
Take care, take care, take care. See you over at Discord, man. Would you forgo minor resistance 1793 if entering? No, I think 1793 is like it's not really minor resistance, so I'll still keep that in mind. Right, I still need this range to be big enough, unless it gives me a nice wick. Right, then the next candle I'll probably see if I can trade off the flip. Yep. That's the thing about sometimes waiting for entries, right? We don't always have the entry. Meaning to say, if your plan was to wait for candle to close and this wasn't the trade, then right, wait for the next. Like, we don't always have to take a trade, right? We don't always have to take a trade every day and stuff. Candle closing in 1 minute and see what it does. Right. Stay disciplined. Look at the rejections.
Yo, Yuki.
Yo,
Yeah, I got a out of topic question.
Yep, out of topic. What's it?
Yeah, how much you invested in your setup, your computer setup?
Uh, my okay, my CPU, my computer, my PC itself isn't that expensive. I got a like low to mid tier one. So my PC itself is around 1.2, 1.2, 1.3, right? So I have four monitors, right?
Oh,
Two on my left and right, those are old ones, so it's pretty old. So I wouldn't count that as a cost, right? The newer ones are right in front of me and above me, 34 and 27 inch. The 27 inch is expensive. It's around 500 over dollars for a 27 inch, right?
oh,
Because this one is a higher end one. Then the 34 inch is surprisingly is cheaper than my 27. It's around the same price, I would say, around $400 to $500 or so. Both the middle and the top one is 144 hertz, and the resolution is 1440. Yeah, and then the ones left and right is 1080, running 60 hertz. So yeah, it's honestly not that expensive if you take away the two at my left and right. If those are new, then yeah, everything would then cost additional, maybe one 600-700. Yeah, so you'll be looking at around two monitors, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 2.5K, right? Just the display and the PC.
see.
Ooh, okay, 15 minutes close above. Create the top wick first though. Let me see the stops. What do you have? 28 pips. Oh, it's flipping back up. No, wait. Yeah. I think I'm gonna stay out though. If it comes down to retest this level and flips back, yeah, I'll consider taking off the flip. GJ still ranging. Reason being is taking off the flip, I need a liquidity grab, a longer liquidity grab to give me the confidence, right? This could very well work. I know, like some people would take this, but I think for me, yeah, I'm not comfortable with this. I'd rather wait for a deeper liquidity grab before flipping, right? Then my stop loss will be around 12 pips for a 23 pip TP. Yeah. Break up the highs. Yeah, break up the highs, the RR 15, 12, 17. It's almost 1-to-1. Yeah, should see about that. My trading view is lagging, man. Much better. Alright. Oh, breaking the lows. I want it to come down maybe 10 pips. Right? Retest this level. Hopefully around this region. Once it flip, I'll take trade. Ooh, damn. Okay, now this looks good, right? So once it flip, I would probably take a position. Stops will be 15 pips for a 25, around 24 pips TP. Let's continue to break down. Now I need to see and take note of the RR. Damn. No trade. No trade, right? You see how we didn't enter based off the flip because of that small lower wick, right? I mean, that's for me. Because usually when you have a long wick, I need a deep liquidity grab to take off the flip. There's no break, there's no trade. There's no entry at the break of the highs because there's a wick, the wick is too high, right? That will make your RR not favorable, right? If you're targeting this, it's even worse, right? Trading off the flip will make your stop loss smaller and your take profit much better, so your RR will be better. So in this case, there's no trade, right? Let's look at GJ. GJ is still doing nothing. Right, look at this H4 zone. So as I was saying, this whole thing was your zone, right? If there's no H4 candle closing above this level, meaning to say this candle is very well the same as all this candle to the left. But the only confluence was the 15 managed to close above that these candles couldn't. But then we cannot just rely on just a 15-minute candle trading off a high time frame zone, right? So I needed more confluence, which is the deeper liquidity grab. That could be one, and also that's basically it, right? Trading off just cause a candle closing above a level, it's not everything, right? Still need to wait for more confluences. That's why I stayed up. Alright, I think that's about it. Right, it's nothing much. Took a small loss on GJ right here. And gold, there's no entry. Right, basically ranging back into this range. Very volatile, right? Because if candle can close above this level, the next candle shouldn't come back and break the low, right? That just means now gold is very volatile. Once candles are very volatile, you don't really know where it will wick. A lot of whipsaws will happen and stuff. So staying out is the best. Yeah, then I guess I'll be calling it a day. Thanks again for watching, right? Even though there's not many of you, but I do appreciate each and every one of you. So yeah, I'll be streaming next Tuesday again. I'll be breaking down how I look at charts and everything again. So yeah, I'll be streaming again next Tuesday. So if you guys enjoyed, and please take care. right?
Yeah, man, you take care too, bro.
Take care, bro. Nice
Alright.
trade management today. Okay, okay. Thanks,
Ciao.
thanks, thanks. Bye, guys.